Looking for any more? You see any? Look around. Char, look around. Look around. You don't see any more eggs?
See that?
What happened to your basket? You give it away to Mom?
No, it's right there. It was too heavy for her. Go put it in your basket, Charlie.
Oh, Char. Char. Come here, Char.
Charlie.
Char. Is there one over here somewhere? Look good.
Look down.
Look around.
No, turn around.
Look around. Look behind you.
Look behind you.
Turn around.
Behind you.
Use your basket. Use your basket. Yeah.
She's going to go give it to Riley instead.
Hello there, buddy.
Your basket.